Dear students, today we discuss theory of equations in Eamcet concept. Decade's rule of sines. Today we discuss Decade's rule of sines. An equation f of x is equal to 0 cannot have more positive roots than the number of changes of sign in f of x. Second one is cannot have more negative roots than the number of changes of signs in f of minus x. Third one is has no positive root if all the coefficients are positive. Fourth one is has no negative root if all the coefficients of the even powers of x are the same sign and the coefficients of odd powers of x are of opposite signs. So same sign and opposite sign. Fifth one is has no real root except 0 if all the powers of x are odd and all the coefficients are of the same sign. Sixth one is has no real root if all the powers of x are even and all the coefficients are of same sign. Seventh one is every equation of an even degree whose last term is negative and the coefficient of the first term is positive has at least two real roots. One is positive and another one is negative. Eighth one is if an equation has only one change of sign, it must have one positive root and no more. So first question is the number of changes of signs in the equation x power 7 plus x power 6 plus x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 1 is equal to 0 is let f of x is equal to x power 7 plus x power 6 plus x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. This is plus, this is plus, this is plus, this is plus, and this is plus. Here, all the coefficients are positive. Here all the coefficients are positive, therefore no sign changes. Second one is the number of positive roots of x power 7 plus 3x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0 or let f of x is equal to x power 7 plus 3x power 6 minus 2x cube plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is plus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is plus. Plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here, two sign changes. Here 2 sign plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here 2 sign changes. Therefore, at most two positive roots. At most two positive roots. Third one is the number of negative roots of x power 9 plus 7x to the power of 8 minus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 are. Let f of x is equal to x to the power of 9 plus 7 into x to the power of 8 minus 5x cube plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Replace x by minus x. F of minus x is equal to minus x to the power of 9 plus 7x to the power of 8 plus 5x cube minus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Minus x whole power 9, that is minus, minus x whole power 8, that is plus, minus x whole cube is minus, here minus into minus plus, minus x. So this is minus, this is plus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus. Minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here 3 sign changes. Here 3 signs changes. Minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Therefore, at most 3 negative roots. At most 3 negative roots. So fourth one is the number of real roots of x to the power of 5 minus 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 7x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Number of real roots. Let f of x is equal to x to the power of 5 minus 4x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 7x square plus 2 is equal to 0. So this implies f of minus x is equal to minus x whole power of 5 minus x to the power of 5 minus x whole power of 4 is plus minus 4x to the power of 4 minus x whole cube, that is minus, minus into minus plus 3x cube minus x whole square plus minus 7x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Minus x whole power of 5 is minus, minus x whole power of 4, that is plus, plus into minus, minus, minus x whole cube is minus, here minus into minus plus, minus x whole square is plus, plus into minus, minus 7x square plus 2 is equal to 0. Here plus, minus, 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 plus. Plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here 2 sign changes. Therefore, at most 2 positive roots. At most 2 positive roots. Here minus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Here minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here 3 sign changes. Therefore, at most 3 negative rows. At most 3 negative rows. Therefore, in total, at most 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 real rows. In total, at most 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 real rows. Fifth one is the number of imaginary roots of x to the power of 7 plus 5x to the power of 4 minus 7x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0 are, let f of x is equal to x to the power of 7 plus 5x to the power of 4 minus 7x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this implies f of minus x is equal to, we know that minus x whole power 7 is minus x to the power of 7 minus x whole power 4, that is plus 5x to the power of 4 minus x whole square is plus, so plus into minus, minus 7x square minus x minus into plus minus 6x plus 3 is equal to 0. Here plus minus plus 2 minus 2 plus. Here 2 sign changes. Therefore, at most 2 positive real roots. At most 2 positive real roots. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is minus, this is plus. Minus 2 plus, plus 2 minus, minus 2 plus. Here 3 sign changes. Therefore, at most 3 negative roots. At most 3 negative roots. In total, at most 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 real roots. In total, at most 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5 real roots. This implies at least 7 minus 5, that is equal to 2. Imaginary roots. Imaginary roots. So, finally, answer is 2 imaginary roots. Sixth question is the equation x power 4 plus 15x square plus 7x minus 11 is equal to 0 has, let f of x is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 15x square plus 7x minus 11 is equal to 0. So this implies f of minus x is equal to minus x whole power of 4, that is x power of 4 minus x whole square, that is plus 15x square minus x minus 7x minus 11 is equal to 0. Here plus minus. So one sign changes. Here one sign change. Therefore, one positive root, at most one positive root, most one positive root. Here plus, plus, minus, minus. Here one sign change. Here also same. One sign change. At most one negative root. Most one negative root. Also the above equation has even degree, last term is negative, and the first term coefficient is positive. X power 4 plus x power 4. Here first term coefficient is positive. So it has two real roots. So it has two real roots. It has two real roots. One is positive, one is negative. One is positive and one is negative. And 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Two imaginary roots. Two imaginary roots. So two real roots, 4 minus 2, that is equal to two imaginary roots. Seventh question is the number of real roots. The number of real roots of the equation x power 7 minus x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 minus 6x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Let f of x is equal to x to the power of 7 minus x to the power of 5 minus x to the power of 4 minus 6x square plus 7 is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1. Then f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 6 plus 7. That is equal to plus 8 minus 8, that is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1. Then f of minus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole power 7 minus minus 1 whole power 5 minus minus 1 whole power 4 minus 6 into minus 1 whole square plus 7. So this is equal to minus 1 whole power 7 is minus 1, minus 1 whole power 5 is minus into minus, plus 1, minus 1 whole power 4 is plus, so minus 1, here minus 1 whole square is plus into minus, minus 6 plus 7. So this is equal to plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled, minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 0. Therefore 1 comma minus 1 are the roots of f of x is equal to 0. Using synthetic division, this is 1 x power 7, 0 x power 6 minus x to the power of 5 minus 1 minus 1 0 minus 6 0 and 7. So this is 1 is a root of f of x. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, that is equal to minus 7, minus 7, so minus 7, minus 7, that is equal to 0. Again, x is equal to minus 1 is a root of f of x. 1, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, plus 1, 0, 0, minus 7, minus 1 into minus 7, plus 7, that is equal to 0. So this implies x to the power of 5 plus 0 into x to the power of 4 plus 0 into x cube minus 1 into x square plus 0 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this implies x to the power of 5 minus x square minus 7 is equal to 0. Plus, minus, minus. Here, one sign change. One sign. Here, one sign change. So, at most, one positive root. At most, one positive root. Therefore, exactly 3 real roots. 3 real roots. One is 1, another one is minus 1, and at most one positive root. So answer is exactly 3 real roots.